10 surprising health benefits of sex. The perks of sex extend well beyond the bedroom. Sex not only feels good, it can also be good for you. Here's what a healthy sex life can do for you. Helps keep your immune system humming. Sexually active people take fewer sick days. People who have sex have higher levels of what defends your body against germs, viruses, and other intruders. College students who had sex once or twice a week had higher levels of a certain antibody compared to students who had sex less often. Boosts your libido. Longing for a more lively sex life? Having sex will make sex better and will improve your libido. For women, having sex ups vaginal lubrication, blood flow, and elasticity, she says, all of which makes sex feel better and help you crave more of it. Improves women's bladder control. A strong pelvic floor is important for avoiding incontinence, something that will affect about 30% of women at some point in their lives. Good sex is like a workout for your pelvic floor muscles. When you have an orgasm, it causes contractions in those muscles, which strengthens them. Lowers your blood pressure. There have been many studies, he says. One landmark study found that sexual intercourse specifically, not masturbation, lowered systolic blood pressure. That's the first number on your blood pressure test. Counts as exercise. Sex is a really great form of exercise, Pinzoni says. It won't replace the treadmill, but it counts for something. Sex uses about 5 calories per minute, for more calories than watching TV. It gives you a 1-2 punch. It bumps up your heart rate and uses various muscles. So get busy. You may even want to clear your schedule to make time for it on a regular basis. Like with exercise, consistency helps maximize the benefits, Pinzoni says. Lowers heart attack risk. A good sex life is good for your heart. Besides being a great way to raise your heart rate, sex helps keep your estrogen and testosterone levels in balance. When either one of those is low, you begin to get lots of problems, like osteoporosis and even heart disease. Having sex more often may help. During one study, men who had sex at least twice a week were half as likely to die of heart disease as men who had sex rarely. Lessens Pain. Before you reach for an aspirin, try for an orgasm. Orgasm can block pain. It releases a hormone that helps raise your pain threshold. Stimulation without orgasm can also do the trick. We've found that vaginal stimulation can block chronic back and leg pain, and many women have told us that genital self-stimulation can reduce menstrual cramps, arthritic pain, and in some cases even headache. May make prostate cancer less likely. Going for the gusto may help ward off prostate cancer. Men who ejaculated frequently, at least 21 times a month, were less likely to get prostate cancer during one study. You don't need a partner to reap this benefit. Sexual intercourse, nocturnal emission, and masturbation were all part of the equation. It's not clear that sex was the only reason that mattered in that study. Lots of factors affect cancer risk. But more sex won't hurt. Improves sleep. You may nod off more quickly after sex, and for good reason. After orgasm, the hormone prolactin is released, which is responsible for the feelings of relaxation and sleepiness after sex. Eases stress. Being close to your partner can soothe stress and anxiety. Bladder says touching and hugging can release your body's natural, feel-good hormone. Sexual arousal releases a brain chemical that revs up your brain's pleasure and reward system. Sex and intimacy can boost your self-esteem and happiness. It's not only a prescription for a